So we've nailed it together, and we ended up using a chisel and hammer, in some cases sawing and then chiseling with just our bare hand, because you really couldn't hammer it here. But we got the edges in. Now we're transferring the design pieces, and it's pretty interesting. I thought at first I'd pull the nails out and then screw them on, but that only worked for the first one. After that, trying to get the nails out just broke them. So now what I'm doing is breaking the nails off about leaving a 1/4 inch, and then gently tapping them in with the old nails and caulking the bottom. And you can see how much paint is on here. You can see the design, is really lost with so many coats of paint, and you can see it's, pretty thick. So we're gently taking the chisel and going underneath them, but you got to be careful, because if you do on like a tip like this, it breaks. And that's what I ended up doing here. So I'll have to caulk this tip back on because it's way too small to nail, but it will look good. So that's where we're at with this, and it's going to look really nice, and then we'll put our holes in to screw it back in. And ideally get it painted or primed before it rains.